now that everything has been sanding, we're gonna proceed with painting, and we'll get back to you on this. While the paint is drying, these two pieces have to be used for this to be glued on both ends, so when this door open and close, there is insulation. So we're gonna get on it and we'll get back to you guys. There's the foam, and from here you can see what it does. It actually shuts the up and down when you move the air control, so it's great. So now it's sealed. Time to keep sanding and get back to you guys soon. Now the sanding is finished, we're going to proceed with painting. Finally, painting this area here so it won't look bad anymore. Look at that. A perfectly painted black AC box inside and out. Isn't that something? No more rust on the AC system, and that is beautiful. Okay, we finally finish up painting all the cavities on the AC, and we're gonna start reassembling, and as soon as we get to it, I'll get back to you guys. Right, after testing all the connections in all the areas of the air conditioning, just were able to find the leak. It's the compressor. The compressor itself is leaking in the back, so we will need a new compressor in order to have an excellent air conditioning. So now that we know what the problem is, we know what the solution is, we're going to start assembling the black box. As you guys can see, this looks like it left the factory, and that is a beautiful, beautiful view. So we're gonna make sure we connect everything, and as soon as we're done, we'll get back to you guys. As you guys can see, we already put the cover, we already painted the cylinder, we already connected the water tank. Hopefully I did it right. We'll soon find out. And I'll get back to you guys as soon as we keep getting some progress here. Now that we painted the cover, we're going to be able to hold on all these hoses that are clamped here, because with a double tape this will hold on to it, and there will be no more hanging of hoses anymore. So we're gonna get to it right away. Already installed, protecting the hoses, beautiful. We have the wiper tank already installed. We're gonna wait for Jeff to connect the final hose, and we're waiting for the cylinder to dry so we can install it. And as soon as it's dry, we're gonna get on it and we're gonna install it with the clamp. And we'll be back. Radiator water tank bracket install. There's the final install. Everything is secure as it should. And we're gonna see what's going on with the fan inside. And Jeff is looking to see what's going on. We need to turn on the AC in order to have it work. Do you want me to turn on the RV?
Looking. Yeah, turn the key.
Okay. It's only when you do this.
Okay, do that one too.
Because you have it like directly, only when I turn the AC here,
Yeah.
is when it works.
Now you can turn it up.
The fan has been finally repaired, and this is it for the AC repair during the meantime, because the next step is just to change the compressor. So we're gonna move the RV outside, and guys, if you like our videos, click the bell button for a 2 videos per week notification. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.